Yung paniniwala ko sa Diyos, it even became stronger na nandyan siya. Hindi siya magpapabaya sa amin. Nakagabay parate at naniniwala ako na nandyan siya parate sa tabi ko. Hi, my name is Recto Abellanosa, and I'm 60 years old from Artesia, California, and I'm a non-emergency medical transporter by profession. Non-emergency medical transportation, it's a job that you will need to transport patients from their respective places, say like from nursing facilities, and they will be transported to their dialysis clinic. So it really depends on the requirement for their health condition. We will deal like around 6 to 8 patients in a day. Each and every patient, it has to be handled really carefully to transport them to their clinics. I moved to the U.S. 20 years ago. At first, it was only me, and then sumunod yung family ko, my wife and my 3 kids. It was a big risk, actually. Kasi during the time, my youngest was only like 3 years old, followed by a 4 years old, and then my eldest was 7 years old. That was 20 years ago during that time, and then I have to leave. I could even remember the time when I was like in the plane. Kaya ko kaya ito, Amerika to, medyo hindi biro. I was like a complete stranger here. So pero yung focus ko, no matter what, if there's a will, there's a way. Kung nasa isip mo parati yung isang bagay na gusto mong mangyari, mangyayari. It was really kind of tough nung mag-umpisa kami dito. There were like so many challenges that I have to face before I could even get through and be able to start one decent job, you know, kasi yung iba talagang hindi ko gawain na, and then I have to do that here. Like one of those things, I even have ended like taking care of patients, which I never did back in the Philippines. Hindi nga rin talaga namin alam particularly kung paano namin nagawa. I mean, it just so happened, sige, trabaho ka doon, ako trabaho ko din, whatever we can make for us to be able to sustain the education, you know, and all other expenses that we have to face.
Can we afford it? I don't know. Let's play it by ear, as you said. So, let's see. If there's a will, sabi nga niya, there's a way. Sabi mo, di ba? There was a time na ako may opportunity magkaroon ng 2 jobs plus a home health. So, siya yung nagda-drive sa akin while I sleep in the car. Siya yung naggagawa ng house chores. I just work. Tapos, nung medyo nakatapos na isa, sige, you work, I work. So, hanggang 2 jobs na lang kami pareho. Nagta-part-time siya as yung balikbayan, nagkakarga ng mga kahon, para lang part-time.
Talagang nagiging proud ako because we were able to let them all finish their college. 0 loan. I mean, mostly, ano talaga ako, sorry. I want them to have the better life na hindi ko na-experience. Mahirap sa akin kasi mahirap ang naging buhay ko eh. But then, so gusto kong ibigay sa kanila yung the best with my full support. Sa tulong ng Diyos, natapos naman sila lahat. Masaya sila. With that alone, masaya na ako. Kahit saan ako magpunta, hindi na ako mag-aalala sa kanila. They're all good with what they're doing, and I'm so happy about it. Being a parent, napakalaking responsibilidad kong gawin yun para sa kanila. Dahil gusto kong magkaroon sila ng strong foundation. I want my children to finish. Yan ang usapan namin. Nangyari naman, so...
Congratulations.
Of course, yeah, congratulations.
Well, we've been married 32 years. Challenging. Pero I would say we reached our goal. We finished. That's the major goal. So right now, our goal is to spend time together. More time together. Kasi the past years have been like all work. So now it's about time. It's just you and me.
Well, thank you so much, Ma. Siyempre, napagtapos na namin yung mga bata. Kumbaga, kami naman ngayon, ng wife ko, kailangan mag-ready rin naman kami para magawa naman din namin yung next chapter, which is para sa amin dalawa naman. Hindi namin siguro ito magagawa without the help of the MX3 na nakakatulong sa pangangatawan namin. Yung MX3, nalaman ko yun sa pamamagitan ng isang friend ko. Shinare niya sa amin yon, and then nung i-try ko, nagustuhan ko siya. Especially sa profession ko, hindi po pwedeng mahina ang pangangatawan ko kasi exposed ako sa mga patients. Sa tulong ng MX3, nasusustain ko yung aking pangangatawan. Hindi ka nakaka-feel ng pagod. So, ever since, I've been taking MX3 for that matter. So, nakatulong talaga din sa takbo ng buhay namin. MX3, dito ako believe.
So healthy life.
Sarap.